Do dogs have a sense of fairness or jealousy when it comes to attention or treats?
Dogs absolutely show behaviors that look like jealousy and even a basic sense of fairness. If you pet another dog or give one a treat in front of the other, you may notice attention-seeking, sulking, or even aggression. Studies have shown that dogs can react negatively when they see another dog getting a reward for doing nothing, or getting a better reward for the same behavior. While it's not as complex as human fairness, it does point to a social sensitivity. They're aware of where the attention and goodies are going and they do care.